Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another one of the beginner's guide tutorials. So what we're going to need for this is a headband. This is a 10mm wide satin covered Alice band. I've got some 10mm gross grain ribbon, and I've got the bow that I'm going to be attaching to it. So this is one of my pinwheel bows. I use them for school bows. I'm going to be attaching this onto the headband. I'll put a link on how to make these particular bows in the description of the video. So this is a 2-layer bow. It's just been sewn in the centre, you'll see on the tutorial for that. And I just want it to go on the side of the headband. So what we do is, first of all, we decide where we want to put it. We don't want it right on top, we want it on the side. And I'm going to be putting it this way so that the ribbon wraps around that way. If I put it this way, I can't wrap the ribbon onto the bow. So I'm going to do it this way. So I want it roughly there. So having my fingers in the middle of the bow where the ribbon's going to be tied, I just want to hold on to the headband there, so I know that the glue needs to go here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue just on the headband there, and then glue that to the bow, and just hold it for a second while that glue sets. And if there's any extra glue sticking out at the sides, we just scoop that off. Okay, so that is now stuck onto the headband. So what we're going to do next is get the ribbon. You can do this with any style of bow as well. It could be the glitter type bows, any style of bow that you make. And if you're going to put glitter around the middle, you do exactly the same thing with the glitter as I am doing right now with this gross grain ribbon. So this bow is going to have a logo in the center of it, just like these ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gluing from the top of the bow and wrap it round, and I'm going to finish at the top of the bow. Now, doing it this way is fine if you're going to put something in the center of the bow because it covers up the join. If you're wanting to do them plain so that the finish is more just a plain center like that, then you would start underneath the bow here and you would glue round and finish there. So I'm going to show you how to do it this way first. So I'm going to put some glue in the center of that bow and just stick the ribbon on. So it's just stuck to the bow in the center there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this ribbon all the way around. I'm going to find out where it ends at the top there and just cut that off. And then I'm going to heat seal the end of that ribbon. So then once I know how much ribbon I'm going to need, I go back to where it's just hanging like this and just turn the bow over. And then I'm going to glue along that ribbon. Not too much glue that is going to seep out everywhere, but enough to give it a stick. I'm pulling it tight. I'm just going to stick that and wrap it all the way along so that it ends at the top like that. Now, I do it this way when I'm putting something in the centre, like a school logo or a name or a gem, anything like that, so that on the underside of the bow, where this is going to be against the hair or the head, that it's smooth. Because if you have one of these ends, it could snag on the hair and eventually pull off. So wherever I'm going to put something on top of a bow, I will start and finish it this way to give it a nice, clean, neat finish that way. Now, if you're not putting anything on top of the bow, you would just start here, right on the edge, wrap your ribbon round, and then try and bring it slightly up the side so that you haven't got a join on this flat part, which is going to be touching the little girl's head. But basically it's as simple as that. That is how we attach a bow to a headband. It would be exactly the same as this if you were doing it with a Dainty baby headband or a faux baby headband. You would just stick the bow on first and then wrap your centre around. But like I say, to stop snagging, to stop marking heads, just to stop it being uncomfortable in general, you would put your join to the top if you are going to cover it. That obviously doesn't look very neat if you're going to leave it like that. So this is the centre for this bow. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop some glue on the middle there and put the school logo in the middle. And there we go. You can't see the join. It's got no messy, untidy bits that are going to snag on her here. And that is the bow attached to an Alice band. So I hope this tutorial has helped. If you've got any questions, pop it in the comment section below. I'll reply to as much as I can. I've also got a Facebook group. I'll pop the link in the description. I'm available on all social media platforms. And if I can help with any other types of tutorials that you are struggling with, just let me know and I'll see what I can do for you. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.